This is Greg here doing Arduino Lab number 2, and what we have set up here is we have our trim potentiometer is doing a voltage divider circuit and feeding the analog input to pin 0 over here, and then pin 13 is controlling the yellow LED. And then as you can see, as we adjust the potentiometer, the LED will flash faster and slower. And here's our code that's allowing it to do that. We have up at the top, we're setting the pins to be what they are, and then we have the delays are set by the sensor value, and then it just is a constant loop of turning on and off with delays. Here we have part 2 of the lab. We added in the code here and here, so that down here it'll show us different values that is being read by the analog. And as I change the potentiometer, you can see the values go up and down. And that is what is changing the delay on the LED and making it blink faster and slower. And here we have the push button part of part 3 of the lab. As you can see, the LED is on, and when you push the push button it goes off. That's because the way this VEX push button is set up is that it has a microcontroller in there that is sending out a digital high signal when it's unpushed, and then when it's pushed it goes low, which is why the LED is on when it's unpushed. And here's our code that we programmed into the Arduino. Here we have the potentiometer for part 2, the VEX potentiometer, and as you can see, as we adjust it up or down, the light speed changes. And you can also see that in our readout here. See the value change as I change the potentiometer. And it's the same code that we used for part 2 of the lab. And here we have the line tracking sensor part of part 3. And as you can see, as I move it back and forth across the screwdriver, the speed of the light will speed up and slow down. You can see that here in the table. Once again, same program as part 2.